Wow, wow, wow. Isn't this amazing? We woke up to this beautiful natural wonder. These are wild mushrooms. They are edible and they are very nutritious. Welcome to Life Beyond Being a Lawyer. And in today's video, I'm taking you along to harvest these beautiful, natural, God given, wonderful mushrooms. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video and you're going to enjoy it. Just stick around, sit down, relax, and enjoy the video. It's going to be amazing. Well, these are wild mushrooms. They are very small and they are white in color and they are seasonal. They normally come up during the wet season, at least where I come from, and they just appear on their own. They choose where to go. They normally grow on termite hills. Where there are termites is where they grow. You don't plant them, they just appear on their own. So this is me doing the harvesting. We woke up to this natural wonder, and guess what? My entire family was around in the village, so we all swung into action because we love these small things. We were also joined by some women from our village. And if you stick around, at the end of the video, I'm going to be telling you the benefits of these mushrooms. Watch the video till the end. Like if you're enjoying this. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. If you're my returning subscriber, I really appreciate you. Let's enjoy this African wonderful nature. I don't know if these mushrooms appear anywhere else in the world. They could be. If they do, kindly comment down below and tell me where you're from and if you know about these tiny mushrooms. This is me picking up the mushrooms carefully. I picked out everything, cleaning it and making sure no soil or dirt, no grass, no nothing gets into my basin. I'm that kind of person that loves clean and tidy stuff. So when I got there, I found my brother picking the cleanest mushrooms. I was like, okay. So when I started doing it, I even went extra. I came with my two nieces and these girls have never done this before. So we did the same thing, and at the end of the day, we collected two full basins of clean mushrooms that just needed drying and storing away to be enjoyed. So, guys, enjoy the video. You're going to have fun watching us doing this activity. You are welcome. So now it's time for me to share with you the nutrients found in mushrooms and the benefits of eating them. But before I do that, I have to disclaim that I'm not a doctor nor a nutritionist. But I did my research from credible sources and here I am giving you the information. Thank you. At this point, we had picked out almost everything. All the mushrooms were almost gone. And this is how the entire place was looking like. Remember how it was so full of mushrooms? You see that? Baskets, basins, everything. We collected a lot of mushrooms. I did not like the sight of these bottles in the background. I don't like plastic bottles and plastic bags scattered anywhere because they spoil our soil and nature. But I was told that workers bring them here to sharpen their pangas or machetes. There is a stone they use for sharpening their pangas or machetes, and they carry water inside those bottles which they use to accelerate the sharpening. So they bring them on here and they don't take them away. So after collecting the mushrooms, we removed them and we also talked to the workers to be removing the bottles after using them and dump them where we burn all the plastics from. Thank you for watching. These are some of the nutrients found in mushrooms. Number one, they contain selenium. This helps the body to make antioxidants to prevent cell damage. Number two, vitamin B6, which supports the nervous system and helps form red blood cells. Number three, riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid, which help carry out several metabolic reactions and are involved in the production of energy. Potassium. identified in the 2020 Dietary Guidelines for Americans as an underconsumed nutrient, and this helps muscles contract, assists with fluid balance, and maintains normal blood pressure. Another nutritional value, which by the way makes us all in the village, that everyone in the village knows and makes them or makes us run every time we hear about mushrooms standing anywhere or that have come out anywhere in the bush, in our plantations, even in our houses, is this dietary nutrient, which is zinc, and it supports the immune system and healthy growth in babies and children. Yes, because everybody in my village knows that these mushrooms really help boost the immune system, and that is the reason why we always run after them. These are the ones that were picked without cleaning, and it was time to clean them. This is a village lady cleaning her mushrooms. Enjoy the video. So, what are the benefits of eating mushrooms? They boost the immune system, they lower blood pressure, they support weight loss, they supply vitamin D, they protect brain health, they maintain heart health, and improve gut health. This is how our mushrooms turned out after drying. This is how they look like, and that is how they sound. So we are going to keep them in storage jars which are airtight, put them away, and we shall be getting some every time we want to cook with them. If you'd like to know how we sort them, clean them, and dry them, click on the card above. Never calm down, my head in my hands now. We have so many mushroom recipes. We can cook them on their own, stew them, or even make mushroom soup out of them. Our own version of mushroom soup, we can just add ghee or vegetables and have them. We can add them to groundnut sauce or peanut sauce. We can add them to beans. We can just cook them in so many different ways. If you'd like to see how I cooked some of my mushrooms, but however they were bigger mushrooms and they were fresh, click on the card above. If you've watched up to this point, I really appreciate you. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. May God bless you. We meet in the next one. Here we go again. You think by now I know better. Locked in my head, romanticizing forever.